My name is Jorg and welcome to the third course on, well, basically how to set up a Bamboo sales assistant for yourself, how to get people from strangers to actual clients using LinkedIn. And in this third course, this will be the course about how to make the actual sale. So now in the previous course, I've taught you everything you need to know how to get appointments and how to manage that properly to make sure you're not overwhelmed. In this specific course, we will be focusing on the meeting. And we'll be using a specific script called the C.L.O.S.E.R script. I've already showed you the C.L.O.S.E.R script in the previous courses, but the C.L.O.S.E.R script is created by Alex Hormozi, and he created it by studying people like Jordan Belfort and all the great sales people like Russell Brunson and everyone who has ever had a script that did really well in sales. And what he found was that all of the scripts that have gone absolutely bananas were all question-based frameworks. Now, he calls his script the C.L.O.S.E.R framework, and I'll give you a quick overview of what these letters mean. So C is clarify where they are, L is label them with a problem, O is overview their past pain, S is sell them the vacation, and E is explain away their concerns, and R is reinforce their decision. So that's what we'll be covering in the coming 6 videos. I will start with the C and then move down the letters. These won't be very long videos, but they will show you basically how the C.L.O.S.E.R framework works, and I will also give you a link to from the source itself, having Alex Hormozi teaching you how his C.L.O.S.E.R framework works, and he will add a bonus in how to teach others it as well. So all props go to him for the script in during meetings. I've just applied it to the LinkedIn environment specifically. So thank you for watching this one. That was the C.L.O.S.E.R script. That's what's going to happen in the first 6 videos. And after those 6 videos, I'll introduce what I will do in the coming ones after that. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one where we will be talking about clarifying where they are. Thank you, and see you in the next one. And remember, no matter what you do, just remember to break through and grow like bamboo. Thank you.